Hello guys, this is going to be the video on how to use Practistics, the data extraction script for Valorant. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run our script. So mine's on my desktop. This is it. I'm sure you guys have already installed it using the other installation video. The link's going to be in the description, but you can also check the repository out over here. You can install it, and then this is how you run it basically. So what you're going to do is you're going to run the tool in the directory with this command. So you're going to open up a terminal in the directory where the script is, and then you are going to run this command. So let me do that. So you can just run this command, but I want to disable all the useless logs, so I'm going to run it with some extra stuff. Critical. So what you guys can do is you can just copy paste this. It should be fine. So as soon as I turn on the tool, it's going to give me this information. And the basic information is that I have to press a few buttons on a few different post-match screens to extract all the data. So one of the buttons I'm going to have to press, one of the screens I'm going to have to press is on the match summary screen, which is this screen. And then I'm going to have to press another button on this screen. And then I'm going to have to go through all the rounds and press a button for every single round, which is, basically it's that. So let's look at the instructions again, which are basically the first step is you're going to have to press S on the match summary screen. So let me do that. I press S, and as soon as I press S, it says this metadata obtained. And then the next thing I'm going to have to do is press B on the scoreboard. So I'm going to do that, and it says scoreboard data read. And then the third instruction is press B on each round timeline. So we have a bunch of rounds here, 23 rounds. I'm going to have to press B on each of them, and while I'm pressing it, I'm going to have to hover over the bomb plant events, if any. So this one does have a bomb plant event. I'm going to hover over this, and I'm going to press B. Done. I'm gonna press B. Over here I can press B anywhere, but it doesn't really matter. Over here it doesn't matter. Over here it does matter because we have a bomb plant event. So whenever we have bomb plant events, just press B on the bomb plant to extract the data. I'm just gonna run through this really quick now, the rest of the rounds. Do this for every round. Oh, I missed a bomb plant there, so it's not gonna extract the bomb plant data for that round because I missed that bomb plant over there. Almost done. And this is the last round. So we've done it on 23 rounds. It should say 23 round data, 23 rounds data read, and it does. So the fourth instruction was just press Q when you're finished. So we are finished, so I'm gonna press Q. It's gonna start processing the data now since I pressed Q and I completed all the prior requirements. Excuse me. So we have our data extractor over here. This is the directory. It's usually going to be in your users documents / practistics folder. So I'm just going to copy that from there, and I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to open that. So there is my data available. This is the game we just analyzed. We have a bunch of other folders as well, data and error logs, but what's relevant to us is the matches one. So we have a CSV file which you can just plug into your Excel or whatever spreadsheet software, and you should be able to analyze this data. So we have a bunch of headers here, we have our data here. So that's basically how you use Practistics. Hope you enjoyed.